Oh, hi there, Poopy Pants. Today we're doing something a bit different. I just want to talk to you. I got this really nice comment today from Spliffgram. Thanks for that, by the way. Really made me happy. But I thought it kind of begged the question here. Why do I do this? So let's start with the question. What's the purpose of me making these TikToks? There's so many reasons, so I'll just start listing them. One is I wanted to show people that science isn't scary. It doesn't have to be intimidating. It can be friendly, warm, and receiving. I also wanted to show people the things that I saw under the microscope. I was blown away when I first saw a lot of these things, and I still am, to this day. I think there's a sense of humility or being humble in microscopy. We see that we've built these skyscrapers, highways, airplanes, spaceships. Yet, these simple, tiny organisms that we can't even see survive just as well. And I want to show you all that despite how simple an individual organism can be, the entire ecosystem is incredibly complex. But now that we got that boring science out of the way, let's talk feelings. Whoa, hold up, don't leave. I didn't mean really talk about our feelings, but why do I support and encourage you all? What's up with that? First and foremost, we as human beings oftentimes focus way too much on the negative and really ignore the positive attributes about ourselves, our care, our compassion, and love. We focus on our mistakes, our errors, and our shortcomings. You want to know a secret? Sometimes that happens to me still. I get bogged down in my negativity and focus on the shortcomings, but I remind myself every time these three things. I love myself, I value myself, and I care about myself. And I want all of you to feel the same way. Now, let me be frank with you. I could care less about followers and comments and likes. Let me clarify. I love when all of you comment, like, and follow. But I'm not in this TikTok for clout. I'm on TikToks for one reason: positive impacts. If I can make one positive impact on somebody's day, be it a smile, laughter, encouragement, well, then I think I've made the best video ever, and I'm happy about it. I don't need to get famous, nor do I really want to get famous, but that's not really up to me. If people like it, people like it. But at the same time, if I stick at 95 followers for the rest of my TikTok life, you bet I'll be smiling through every episode. Because it's not about the analytics or the numbers, for me at least. It's about connecting with you, my audience, making sure that I'm doing my job. The things of encouragement that I tell you aren't just random. They might seem it, but there are things that when I was at my lowest in my life, I wish I heard. So I hope they'll help. So I'll leave you with this. If you're ever having a bad day, just remember, oh, hi there, friend. Welcome back to Mikecroscope. My name's Mike. Because I'll be waiting here for you, and I want you to know that you have a home here at Mikecroscope. So repeat after me. I love myself, I value myself, and I care about myself. And with all that out of the way, as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.